Hi, my name is Melcher in Cairo, and today in this video I am going to troubleshoot a desktop computer. So currently everything is set. We have the monitor, system unit, keyboard, mouse and mousepad. And here are the tools that I will be needing. I have screwdriver, brush, thermal paste, multimeter, cable tester for RJ45 and LAN cable for internet connection, LAN cable, crimping tools, and RJ45. So everything is plugged into the system unit down to the AVR. Alright, let's begin. Switch on the AVR. Now, the problem of this desktop computer is that there is a buzzing sound in its fan. It's currently on. And there's no display in the monitor. It's powered on. Now, since there is a buzzing sound sa fan and there is no display sa monitor, possible cause ng issue ay dust sa fan and then sa motherboard, or possibly RAM stick and the CMOS battery. Possible din yung hard drive, so I just hope konti lang yung problem para mas mabilis siyang maayos. Alright, good luck. Alright, the first step sa pag-troubleshoot or pag-repair ng computer is to unplug lahat ng peripherals sa system unit at sa power source natin. Okay, mouse, keyboard, VGA cable, unplug na rin natin sa AVR or power source. Okay, all set. Okay, so here's what's inside our desktop computer. Nalinis ko na siya kanina. So, sorry, hindi ko po siya nakikisama sa video to save time and memory. Okay, so this is the hard drive. And this is the power supply. Meron din tong fan sa loob. This is the RAM stick. This one is the CMOS battery, 3 volts. This one is the heat sink. So kanina nalagyan ko na rin po siya ng ating thermal paste. Sa ilalim po niya ay ang ating CPU. We have another fan para sa system unit. Sorry, para sa CPU. Now, additional information para hindi po madalas mag-overheat ang computer. It is suggested that every month or every 2 months ay palitan yung thermal paste dito sa ating heatsink para hindi siya madalas mag-overheat. And this is the DVD-ROM. We have the SATA connector. Okay, and lahat ng connectors and cords ay nakakabit na in its rightful place. So, kanina maingay yung ating fan at wala ring display sa ating monitor. Ngayon, alamin natin yung possible cause. So, nalinis ko na yung fan. Wala na siyang dust. Now, try muna natin yung ating CMOS battery. By the way, kung walang anti-static rest strap, it is suggested also na palaging humawak sa metal casing ng system unit or palaging humawak ng metal para maiwasan natin yung static electricity. Okay, so yung CMOS battery natin dapat meron siyang 3 volts na karga. Check natin. So, hindi na siya umabot na ng kahit 1 volts. Okay, so this is a new CMOS battery. So, So there you go. It's more than 3 volts, so pwede natin to gamitin. So possible cause kanina, CMOS battery. Okay, nailagay ko na ang CMOS battery. Next, for the display, try natin mag-remove ng RAM stick. Baka meron ting issue yung ating RAM. So I'll try to remove 1 RAM stick. Kita merong 3 RAM stick pero 4 yung slot. Okay, sa paghawak ng RAM stick, be sure na sa gilid lang siya hawakan kasi masyadong sensitive. At huwag ding itatouch itong ating gold lining ng RAM stick para hindi siya masira. Alright, so currently meron itong 4 GB na RAM. Bawat isang RAM stick ay 2 GB. Okay, so try muna natin i-plug in lahat kung gagana na siya. I just hope na okay na lahat. Okay, plug in lahat ng peripherals, mouse and keyboard. VGA cable para sa monitor. Cord ng power supply. And plug in sa AVR. Bali, 220 volts yung ating appliances. So make sure po na maging maingat at huwag magpa-plug sa 110 kung hindi naman yon ang voltage capacity ng appliances. Okay, all set again. Mamaya ko na siya tatakpan kasi baka meron pang issue. AVR on. There you go. Meron siyang power. Okay. Put natin F1. So merong error pa yung ating fan. There you go. Lumabas na yung Windows logo. Pero yung ating fan ay medyo maingay pa rin, but it's a good sign dahil we have now the screen. Okay. So kanina sa pag-boot up, lumabas na merong error yung fan. Kahit until now, medyo maingay pa rin yung fan, pero it's spinning naman. So probably kailangan lang palitan yung fan at wala akong pampalit right now. But the important thing is that it's spinning, it's working, and we have the display. So, pwede ko na siyang takpan. Okay, since nag-work na yung ating desktop computer, possible cause nga nung error kanina, yung dumi ng motherboard at saka ng ating fan. That includes itong ating CMOS battery at saka itong RAM stick natin ng galgo. Okay, next, mag-setup tayo ng internet connection. I have here a LAN cable, RG45, and the crimping tools. Now, there is a color coding sa LAN cable para ma-setup ng maayos yung internet connection. So, ang pagkakasunod-sunod, we have from left to right, green na stripe, we have green, we have orange na stripe, blue na stripe, orange. Next, we have brown na stripe, and the last on the right is brown. So, on the other side, dapat ganito rin po ang kanyang arrangement. Next, kailangan natin pantayin yung dulo using our crimping tools. Now, without a crimping tool, hindi nyo po ito magagawa. Ipantay natin para sakto lang. Okay, pantayin natin. There we go. Next, insert natin sa ating RG45. Itong kinakailangan nakaharap siya sa inyo po. Then you just insert it slowly na hindi ma-rearrange yung ating color coding. Next, i-punch lang natin siya dito sa ating crimping tool by inserting it here. Okay, and slowly press the crimping tool. Okay, and gagawin din natin siya on the other side. Now, to check na working yung ating RJ45 at LAN connector or connection para sa internet, kinakailangan natin gamitin yung ating cable tester. So, tama yung ating wiring. Dapat mag-ilaw yung ating 1 to 8 and G na indicator, light indicator natin. And so, naka-plug in na yung aking RJ45. So, switch this on. Tingnan natin kung magsasabay yung ilaw. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, since sabay at malinaw naman yung ating light indicator, it means working yung ating LAN and RJ45 connection. Now, masyadong malayo yung router at maiksi lang yung aking LAN cable na ginamit. But the fact na umilaw yung ating RJ45 light indicators, it means mag-work siya kapag kinonect natin sa ating desktop and sa router. So, that's all na-fix natin yung desktop computer na merong issue, yung buzzing sound ng fan at saka walang display yung ating monitor. Thank you!